Right then, Caie, you got 50 in the paper 2 back in November. It was the weaker of your two papers, so it's the one that you need to make sure that you get a good crack at improving between now and the summer. 180, 12, 2296, 2652. That doesn't add up to £451.11. So somehow your adding up has gone wrong there. And then a 10% discount. This is the wrong method. What you have to do is to calculate 10%, which is 0.10 times your answer of £451.11, and that's what we're looking for. 111 is good, 32 is good. 3, 6 for the page. 16, 10, 13, 15. 68 and 56 is good. 6 for the page. 570 is right. 4567, 7645. So that's right. Now 0.25%, sorry, 25% is the same as 0.25, which is the same as a quarter. So you're looking to shade in a quarter of that whole shape, which is just that much. If you look at it, you should be able to work out that that's a quarter. So that's wrong with you. 1 is right, 22 is right, 2 is right, but you've missed out 11. So you're only going to get 1 mark for that. 7460, 7000, good. 2456 for the page. -3, right. The coordinate that you've written there, -3, -5, is there. So I'm not sure what you're doing, because the -5, you always go in the x direction first, so it should be -5 and then you're going down 2. So if that was -2, -5, I could see what you've done. You've written them down the wrong way, but what you've done, no, can't really see where that's come from. And the midpoint between there and there, if you look at it, hopefully you can see by eye that it's that point there, not where you've drawn it. The coordinate that you've written down is actually right for where you've put your dot, but your dot's in the wrong place. A and D, B and G, well done. P is correct and V is correct, so I'll pretend you haven't scribbled that one out. Okay, well, find one or buy one. $13, $12, $9, well done. 27 and 58 is 153. 153 and 27 is 180. Right. 28 and 27 and 78 isn't 153. So I'm not really sure again what you're thinking is here. You know it needs to add up to 180. So you're saying that 153 and 78 and 27. No, so what you need to do is add those two together and then take that away from 180. So that's what you've done wrong there. Have a look at the video clip. That one's right, well done. 5 for the page. Okie dokie, 86 pence is right, well done. 22 and 42 is right. This one, write 62% as if it was 62 pence in pounds, which would be that times 12.5 equals. That's correct, well done. And that's correct. But then this is all wrong with you. It's out of 20 because there are 20 possible outcomes, and of those outcomes 6 of them are less than 10. So you've got a 20 there and a 6 there, but they're all in the wrong order with you. Total for the page 5, 6, 12. Question 12. No, if you're enlarging by a scale factor of 4, it means times by 4. So it's times by 4 times by 4. And then it wouldn't be the difference, it would be how many times bigger, so you would be dividing those. And the same here, it's not the difference, it's how many times bigger. So you have to divide. So you're not going to get any marks for that one. That one's right. And then this is where you said you started to struggle. So some of these things we did practice last year. Exchange rates, Pythag, mean of group data, we did do some practice on those. But have a look at the video clip and see how much of that you can remember. But for this one then, Caie, you got 6, 12, 18, 20, 22, 27, 39, 40. So 40, not as good as you were in November. 40 is a grade E. It's 10 off a D. So still quite a way to go to get you back up to speed, but not a complete disaster.